Dun 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 dun.
All I hear is tan 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 like shaitan. What is wrong with this fella?
Today we're gonna check out the Lenovo Star Wars Jedi Challenges Augmented Reality headset.
Right after this.
We spend most of our lives on the internet. We watch movies, we listen to music, and we play games. The internet is a space for us to be free and do whatever we like, so it should never be restricted. In fact, it's thanks to Digi that you're watching this video right now. Digi gives you the freedom to internet your way, any day. More details in the description section below.
So Shane, can you tell us a little bit more about AR and VR?
Okay, so firstly, VR or virtual reality is a computer-generated virtual environment. So you put on a VR headset and you're in the office right now, you can be transported to anywhere in the world. It can be a farm, it can be Dan Blitzerin's apartment or house. And with augmented reality, you add a layer of virtual information on top of a live camera feed from either your phone or whatever camera feed that you have on top of your head, which is a headset. So you can turn an egg into a chicken into an egg, and you into a chicken because you have chicken legs. So today we're just gonna do the unboxing because this thing is pretty already about 1 year old.
Okay.
So there are plenty of reviews out there. I just wanna see what's inside for myself.
Okay Shane, so now we've done the whole unboxing. Can you explain to us one by one what is inside the box?
Okay, so firstly we have the tracking beacon that you place on the floor to get it working. It's powered by AA batteries that are also provided, 2 of them.
Free!
And the on switch is at the bottom, so you can turn it on. Ta-da!
Obviously you can turn it on, it's called an on switch.
Yeah, that's right. And you have the lightsaber controller that you use to play the games. And it comes with a few buttons at the top. You have this, and then you have the lightsaber activation switch, and then you have the on-off switch at the bottom. That is, this also comes with micro USB
With a
chargeable
built-in
battery.
rechargeable battery inside.
Yeah, that's cool. So it has a little weight. And then the charging cable is provided, the micro USB cable, which is really cool. And they give you 3 cables that you can use to attach your phone into the headset. You have the micro USB cable.
USB-C?
The USB-C.
The
You also
lightning?
have the lightning cable.
The Thor cable, get it?
Why?
Lightning! What die?
The Thor. You don't Thor lanye can.
And of course you get the power adapter.
The wall plug.
Wall
for-
plug.
Yeah,
Wall
so
plug
that's cool.
adapter.
And a headset.
Headset's a standalone headset, so you don't have to actually power it.
No.
So that's pretty awesome.
It gets the power through, I guess, through your phone, I guess.
Yeah.
That's the light thing. And then it's padded on the inside
It's
where your
comfortable.
head is and where your eye bags are.
Retractable too, guys.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
So it won't make your eye bags any worse if you're like us and you don't sleep much. So that's cool. Let's move on to find out how you get this to work. So basically here are all the things that you'll need to get this thing working. You will need to download the Jedi Challenges app from either Google Play or the App Store. And then follow the steps here. So you tap to continue.
Straightforward. Super straightforward, guys.
So straightforward. So firstly, you click play, and then you either pick 1 player or 2 players, which was not available at launch. Now it is, so that's cool.
In this case, we are 1 player because we only have 1 set. So
Yeah,
if we
so-
have 2 sets, then 2 players. lah.
And then choose a lightsaber. So here's
This one?
turn on your Bluetooth first, and then turn on the lightsaber.
Down here, the switch.
Switch at the bottom. Okay, and then click continue,
So all you have to do, you see this black button here, you
Yeah.
just press it like that.
and then it will sync.
You'll feel
what color was it before it synced? White,
It's
right?
slightly bluish white.
White.
So once you hold this, you'll feel a bit of a vibrate. That means ready sync. You can also check it with your phone.
Yep, so it says lightsaber sync. Now we go continue and then calibrate the lightsaber. So you need to put this on the floor and then maybe about 6 feet in front.
Yeah, make sure you have a radius of
Yeah.
enough space so that you don't hit anything.
Yeah, you need a little bit more space because the display is quite large.
Yeah.
So if it's too tight, you can't play.
Correct.
And then you just do the sync, the calibration in a figure 8 pattern.
Like that. You know, like
Wingardium Leviosa.
yeah, like that lah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, like swing your lightsaber around, and then once it's synced, you'll fill up the green bar, the green round bar.
It's done. You're pretty much done.
Yes.
For the lightsaber part.
So now you need to install your phone into there.
So this is your headset.
Yep.
On the side of your headset, so assuming that this is in front, on the left side you see a latch here, a flap where you can open, and then you can pull out a tray.
Yeah,
So this is the tray where you basically put your phone in.
And then
Put your phone
connect
inside.
your cable, whichever cable you're using. This one uses a micro USB, and it is in a certain orientation. It needs to go this way.
Yeah, connect the cable.
Connect the cable to the headset first to make sure everything works.
So basically, it's like syncing your phone to the headset first, and then you can pull it off after that.
Yeah, and then you put in,
Close it.
close it, so that
Once you're done
the
closing,
cable faces.
you have to make sure
that you push the
yeah.
metal tabs in, and you put it in the tray.
So when you put it in, right, slide it in slowly.
Is this the right one?
Yes. So
Or is it the other one?
Correct. Don't push it too hard, guys. When you push it too hard, sometimes because it's plastic,
Yep.
you might just break it. So
Yep.
just push it in with a bit of force because
It feels pretty sturdy, but it's still plastic. So.
yeah. So just lock it in here.
Yeah.
And then twist your USB cable on this origin. That's why they give you an angle.
So then there's a red.
a red light
light.
will indicate that you're connected.
Yep. So
Then close
put
it in.
and then put the headset on.
And then take out your cap lah. So now basically what I'm seeing is, I'm still seeing the camera guy in front. I'm still seeing Shane, but I can also play Star Wars or whatever this game is called.
Yeah, there are two different games that you can play. One you fight against drones and Darth Maul. The other one is the Jarek, which is the Star Wars holo chest. It's a chest.
So Shani, as a Star Wars fanboy, what do you think about this whole AR headset thing? Do you think it works? Do you think it is really similar to what you see in movies and other games and stuff?
Well, it's not similar to what you see in the movies, but what I like about is a few things. Firstly, the game is really fun. Secondly, you can see what's around you, so you won't
Safe.
bump into things. Yeah, it's pretty safe because I know a lot of people who break their headsets playing VR or MR.
Okay.
So yeah, that's that. The cons are, firstly, there's not much else that you can play with it
Okay,
as
meaning?
of now. So you can only play this game, and probably not much else.
So what would be nice is that if they come up with more games.
content,
Okay.
more content. And the second thing that's not so good about it is
Compatibility?
compatibility with phones. So I
So
tried
you had
to pair it
issues
up
with
with
your P10?
P10 Plus.
Okay.
So we tried to calibrate the lightsaber and it couldn't work, and we couldn't find out why until we went online and checked the compatibility list.
So what we did was we put the list of compatible devices in the description section below, so you
Yeah.
can double check it before you decide to purchase it.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so there's that. So what about the price?
Hi, this thing retails at 776 ringgit. Now, if you're a DG user or if you were to upgrade to a postpaid plan, you can actually get it for 50% discount.
Wow,
so
cheap.
technically, if you were to buy two, you're actually buying one at retail, but you get two lah. So it's a good bargain, you know?
Buy one, free one!
Technically, yes. So there we go, guys. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, hit subscribe if you have not, and drop us a comment down below if you want to know more about this awesome AR device. And we have left some links in the description section below. And we'll see you
in the next one.
Having-
Bye.
Bro, you're not wearing the headset, don't over. The headset is here.
Figure 8 motion, you know.
Oh, it's like this lah. How you?
Parallel to the floor, day.
Like that, you see? Parallel to the floor. This like this, how you do a figure 8. Oh, shush.
Wow, I want to die.